Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this, what I call old money style hair on Dress to Impress. You will need 5 items. For the first one, I selected this hair. I just colored everything in this shade. I love it so much. Position the Y to 0.47, Z to 0.57, rotate the X to 0.51, and scale it to 0.47. Grab this hair and toggle it to only bangs. Did no adjustments on that. Grab this hair. It doesn't really make that much of a difference. I did only bangs and I scaled it up to 0.6. Grab this hair in the same color. I did this. And then position the Y to 0.54, Z 0.53, and then I just used this hair, this updo in the same color with no adjustments made, just to like fill this gap, because without it there's a gap. It does look weird from the back, I must say, but it looks super cute. I think this might be my new favorite hairstyle. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.